Hey everyone, it's Jessica, and in today's video I just wanted to quickly share with you guys a review of a new floor lamp that I got off of Amazon for my living room. I've already unboxed everything, and here is everything that it comes with. The lamp is by the brand Sunmory, and I will have it linked below in case you're interested. Like I said, I did get it off of Amazon. The lamp was really easy to assemble. As you can see here, I'm screwing the three main pieces together and pulling the cord through to the bottom. Once I screwed the three main pieces together, I then screwed that down into the bottom of the base. And as you can see in this clip right here, I just used my foot to keep the base steady while I was screwing the bottom piece in. It only took a few minutes to put the base together, and here is what it looks like without the shade. I have been wanting a simple floor lamp with a black base like this for a while now. I really like the modern and simple design, and I like the contrast of the black against my walls, and I will be putting my old lamp upstairs in another room. I will say the lamp shade was fairly simple to put together. It was a little bit tricky trying to unroll the shade and clip it to both of the bottom and top rings. Once you got the hang of it, it was pretty easy though, and here's what it looks like. And right now I'm just screwing the lamp shade onto the base. And I also liked that the lamp came with its own light bulb. I'm just gonna screw the light bulb in, and then I'll show you what it looks like all together. And here is a close-up of the light bulb that it came with. It's a 3-in-1 LED bulb, and I will show you how that works here in a second. And here is what the lamp looks like fully assembled in my space. I love it. I'm glad that I went with a more simple lamp, and I love that it has some contrast against my walls. And the coolest feature of this lamp is that you can cycle through 3 different color temperatures. So as you can see, the first light is more of a white light, and then we have like a medium warm light, and then we have a really warm light. You can also direct where you want the light to be pointed. All you have to do is adjust the lampshade and it will kind of shift around and move for you. So overall, I'm really pleased with this lamp. I think it's a pretty good quality for the price point. It was under $60, and like I mentioned, I will have it linked below in case you are interested in a floor lamp. So that's going to be it for today's review video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in a few days with a new thrifting video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you then.